Hello guys and welcome to this new video. We're gonna talk again about WordPress. On Oracle Cloud you can deploy your WordPress website. Here I'm managing a Cloudflare account on USA San Jose. San Jose is the west area of USA. Here you can set up an OC virtual cloud, is what we call VCN, and you can host it by internet, of course, the subnet of Oracle Cloud, and launch it on Oracle Linux virtual machine and connect it to your VCN. It's easy to implement with the subnet and the VCN, and then you can deploy here, as you can see, a WordPress website using MySQL and Docker as a Docker of database, and implement, of course, live WordPress website. If not, I have a solution for you. You can go here and install local, which is an application to deploy your WordPress website locally, and share maybe, and you can share maybe your URLs online lives. Here, as you can see, I'm gonna select this one. I'm running this website. This is the site domain, binky.wordpress.local. It's easy to implement here on local, and you can share, as I say, with other people if you want to. You can host your website with WordPress engine or Flywheel. I highly recommend WordPress engine because it's, in my experience, it's much faster than Flywheel, but at the end it remains the same service, so you can choose one of those two. Another solution I'm providing is DigitalOcean. I really like this website. If you want, I can give a coupon of $100 credit to people who want it. Is easy to implement here also. You can by click install the app, which is WordPress. Here some other features. You can sign up for your WordPress and droplets in seconds. It's easy to implement on DigitalOcean. DigitalOcean is kind of, it depends what you want. You can implement self-hosted WordPress website or share it. They have many offer. I can share with you that later on. Also in this website called Volter, there is a range of packages of WordPress hosting, or any website hosting actually. For WordPress, I highly recommend using only this package is enough for a WordPress website, a blog. But if you want, or you have so much detail, so much links, so much videos and media, so you need more than 1 GB for RAM, and also for CPU. But it's still expensive one in my comparison to the other ones I showed you before. There is also an option for WordPress installation, um, but in my personal view, I don't recommend this option because it's free, and sometimes it gives you some copier of PHP, some problems while deploying your WordPress. So it's not a good option. But if you want to just remain your website in the live, so you need to go by this option. It's a free hosting. You can have your DNS and etc., but as I say, is not highly recommended. You have to pay some little fee to deploy your WordPress website. I'm gonna show you more and more installation of WordPress if you want in later videos. If you really enjoyed this video, please like and comment if you want. Thank you.